Introducing the LATICRETE NXT Pedestal System, a simple, high-performance solution for elevated flooring. Adjustable and adaptable to almost any installation challenge, create raised surfaces using pavers, stone, tile, and more. This allows for efficient drainage, seamless leveling, easy access to utilities below. Our streamlined system has just 12 products to choose from, including 3 core pedestals, the NXT Pedestal Max, Mini, and Extender, which can be combined to achieve elevations as high as 41.5 inches. Optional accessories including slope correctors, base pads, rubber shims, and timber joist brackets give you the flexibility to customize your installation. Wind uplift solutions such as concealed plates and durable stainless or plastic plugs enhance safety and stability in high wind areas. Built with weather-resistant components and engineered to handle heavy snow loads, furniture, and more. You can transform new and existing outdoor spaces into elevated experiences. Take your project to the next level with the NXT Pedestal System. Learn more at LATICRETE.com.